got the VIA VELO 3-bicycle U-lock set. Same key feature system. Heavy duty 14mm shackle. And 10mm by 1.8mm cables. You get 3 heavy duty weatherproof cables. You get the lock brackets, easy to assemble. You get the how-to user manual, plenty of keys, key tags for numbering. Each key fits each lock. You get 3 nice locks. Very, very well crafted. That's where the lock goes. Very, very well made. Good quality materials. You get great support. Key guard program. Very good value for your money. They make a great gift and a wonderful addition to your bicycle's anti-theft accessories. Thank you.